everyone, and welcome back to our final how-to video on creating multi-sunlight analysis. So in this video we'll actually be comparing these two different rendered multi-sunlight analysis. In this case we can see how the first study shadowed base model. We can clearly see how the buildings cast shadows along the key pedestrian corridors and open spaces. This approach is useful for quickly understanding where shade falls at particular times of day and how built form impacts movement and comfort within the precinct. It's more of a visual, straightforward way of interpreting overshadowing. However, on our second analysis here, it uses LuxMap, which measures luminous values in lux. This is more technical representation that doesn't just show shadows but also quantifies the intensity of sunlight reaching different surfaces. In this rendering, areas in red receive high levels of direct sunlight, while the green zones and the greenish bluey zones indicate areas of lower light exposure due to shading from nearby structures or nearby built forms. In comparing both of these methods, it kind of gives us a broader understanding of sunlight performance. The shadow study communicates urban form and pedestrian experience, while the lux-based study provides measurable data on daylight levels. Together, these approaches help us evaluate how the precinct balances shade and sunlight, which is essential for creating a comfortable and accessible and also sustainable public space. So we can initially do this for hundreds and thousands of different types of precincts, and they'll all give different multi-sunlight studies depending on the location, depending on initially heights of buildings and different building envelopes, and this is all determined by whatever you're trying to kind of accomplish through your multi-sunlight study. But yeah, this basically completes our how-to videos, and I hope you've kind of learned and guided yourself through this, and it was quite an easy navigation to kind of understand multi-sunlight analysis, because sometimes it is a bit tricky to kind of wrap your head around. But yeah, that's basically all for today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.